baby tails.
Hello, ocean enthusiasts and creative souls. Welcome back to our creative haven. Today, we're diving into the depths of imagination as we draw and color a beautiful mermaid. Let's start by sketching the mermaid's body. Draw a graceful curve for the torso and extend a flowing line for the tail. This sets the foundation for our mesmerizing mermaid. Let's give our mermaid a magnificent tail. Add a curvy, fish-like shape and extend fin details for that aquatic charm. Feel free to get creative with the tail design. After all, mermaids love expressing their individuality. Let's bring our mermaid to life with captivating features. Draw a beautiful face with expressive eyes, a charming smile, and flowing hair that mimics the movement of underwater currents. And now, the most enchanting part, coloring. Dive into a palette of ocean blues, greens, and shimmering hues to bring our mermaid to life. Add sparkles and highlights for that extra touch of underwater allure. captivating mermaid, ready to grace your artistic collection. Remember, art is all about expressing yourself and exploring the wonders of mythical worlds. Thanks for joining us, and be sure to subscribe for more fun art, tutorials and creative adventures. Until next time, may your days be as magical as the underwater realm of mermaids.